If you want to enable or disable 5G on iPhone 17e, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to cellular or mobile data option over here, or something like that. And if you have just one SIM active, and if the cellular or mobile data is on, then you will find mobile data options or cellular data options below that option over here. So you want to proceed over there in order to continue, but in case you have two SIMs active, then instead you want to actually go to the SIM settings. So you need to select the SIM for which you want to toggle 5G. And then you are looking for the voice and data option. You want to tap over here, and of course we have mainly three options. We have 5G automatic, 5G on, or LTE. We can also find the description of each of these options, so be sure to check them out in order to understand exactly how they work. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.